People always think you need money to look expensive. But today, I wanted to prove something different. Because what if I told you this luxury bag started with just cardboard? Yeah, just cardboard. At first, I wasn't even sure if this would work. I just looked at the pieces and thought, let me try something different today. So, I started. I began by shaping the base, cutting, measuring, just trying to get the structure right. And then I did something small but very important. I curved the top edges because I didn't just want a box. I wanted something that could actually fold over, like a real bag, something that would look clean and a little bit luxury. Now at this point, I'm not even going to lie. It wasn't looking good, like at all. But if you've ever made something before, you already know. Sometimes it looks messy before it becomes beautiful. So I kept going. I took the side pieces and slowly glued them onto the base. One side, then the other. And I just sat there for a second, looking at it like, okay, maybe, just maybe, this could work. It still wasn't perfect, but it was starting to make sense. And then came the moment that changed everything. I picked up this simple magic cover, just something I found at the dollar store. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive. And honestly, I didn't expect much from it. But I started wrapping the bag, slowly, covering every side, smoothing it out. And then I paused and really looked at it. And I was like, wait, is this really cardboard? Because suddenly, it didn't look cheap anymore. It didn't look like something you'd throw away. It started looking like something you'd actually carry, something you'd wear with confidence. And I just smiled because now I could see the vision. But I wasn't done yet. Because let's be honest, how are you carrying a bag with no handle? So I went ahead and made a handle for it, carefully shaping it, attaching it, and that one detail made a big difference. Now it actually felt like a real bag. But still, something didn't feel complete. I don't know if you've ever felt like that before, where everything looks good, but something is still missing. Yeah, that was me. So I stopped, took a step back, and just stared at it for a moment. And then I said, no, this needs more. That's when I decided to work on the inside. Because a real luxury bag isn't just beautiful on the outside, it's beautiful on the inside too. So I took a different colour, magic cover, a drawer liner, and I carefully lined the inside, taking my time with it, making sure everything looked clean and neat. And the moment I finished, I just looked at it and said, wow. Because that is when it came to life. Now it didn't just look good, it felt complete. But you already know me. I couldn't stop there. Because if we're going luxury, we're going all the way. So I added a little bling. just along the front edges. Nothing too much, just enough to give it that elegant luxury finish. And wow, that small detail changed everything. Now I'm sitting here looking at this bag like, there is no way this started as cardboard. And this right here is why I love creating. Because it's not about having the best materials. It's about having a vision. Taking something simple and turning it into something beautiful. Taking something people would throw away and turning it into something people admire. So now I have to ask you, be honest. If you saw this bag in a store, would you buy it? Or would you walk right past it? Because this right here started as cardboard. And look at it now. And just when I thought I was done, I looked at the bag one more time and I said, wait, something's missing. Because it looks beautiful, it feels luxurious, but it still needed one last thing. So I added a fastener, just something simple, but something that would bring everything together. And as I carefully attached it, I didn't realize this was about to be my favorite part. Because now it doesn't just close, it locks. So I tested it, and when I heard that little click, I just paused, looked at it, and smiled. Because in that moment, this wasn't cardboard anymore. This felt like a real luxury bag. And honestly, if I didn't make it myself, I wouldn't even believe it started from cardboard. So now I have to ask you, be honest, would you carry this bag? Or are you still not convinced? And if you made it this far, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more transformations like this, because you never know what something simple can become.